Hello, this is Lenore Fedow with National Jeweler. I'm going to be doing an unboxing today. I love watching these, so I'm going to try my hand at making one. So what I have here is an engagement ring try-on box from the Vera Wang Love collection at Zales. So this program launched October 25th. It's Zales' first program that gives customers a chance to try engagement rings on at home. So let's open this up. Oh, there we go. Oh, there is a lovely note in here from Vera Wang. If the PR person hand wrote this, don't tell me, I don't want to know. So the way it works is you create your kit online on Zales' website. You choose different mountings and stone settings. This was sent to me from Zales PR, so I didn't choose these options myself, but usually you would be able to pick the ones that you want. So let's take a look here and try some on. So we have yellow gold, rose gold, and white gold here. I'm gonna start with the rose gold. It looks like you just pop these in here, kind of like Lego pieces. There we go. Ta-da! I like the rose gold. I think this is very pretty. Now let's swap out for the yellow gold. Oh, that looks nice too. So this box cost $200. It's kind of like a security deposit. So you get a 7-day try-on period, and then you just return it to get your money back. So this kit also includes a ring sizer, which is handy. And then you also get these cards inside that tell you a little bit more about the program. You know, how it works, how you return it, all that stuff, how to use a ring sizer if you're not sure. So if you would like to learn more about this program, I wrote about it for National Jeweler. So you can head over to our website, that's nationaljeweler.com. Or if you're seeing this on my Instagram, there will be a link up in my bio for a while. So thank you for watching.